I'm gonna give you a quick tip and life hack for your multi-tool blade. Look at this. This one before was like this one over here. You can see it. This one I need to cut it and do the same thing like this. So I built this. I bought a 3 inches grinder blades, and I put one long screw with the nut, and then I did it like this way. Is let's say example, the screw, you put it, and then you put this one here, another one here, and then another nut right here, and like that. It's super easy and cheap. And then the for the final, you tie it with the nut like this, and then you can use your drill, and then you can go like this. See? Super easy and fast.